Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin hasn't really moved since the last update, and as you know, in the previous video I already took the direct bullish breakout count off the chart because this is not going to happen anymore, not in this structure that I had on the chart. Of course, is still a bullish breakout possible, but I'm going to take it off for the chart now and we'll talk about that in a minute. Again, the chart is currently doing what it's supposed to be doing. The forecast was for another low. We've seen quite a bit of a sell-off, nothing major. I mean, it's only like 2% down. This wave count here, which I added to the chart, is see it more like just an idea, and it is valid as long as we're holding that wave 2 high here at around 28,060. Yeah, above that level, this direct downward path is going to be invalidated. Doesn't mean that it couldn't go down anymore, but the direct downside path is invalidated. So the short-term bearish count remains the same. A wave down, B wave up, C wave down. We could now be in this C wave here to the downside, in which we made a wave 1, a wave 2, and yeah, the third wave down might be unfolding now. But as I said, to confirm that, we need to break below this 12th of May low at 25,870. So what happens if we don't? Well, if we don't, what are the options? It could be that this is just unfolding as a larger triangle. I did explain that in the previous video already. This move up could have just been an A wave, a B wave down, a C wave up, and a D wave down. Was A, B, C, D, yeah, and the E wave up, and then after the, oops, it's gone. After the last wave up, the E wave, we would then see sort of the sell off. Yeah, the B wave would then simply be unfolding as a triangle and sit here somewhere. Though that's one option, not in my opinion, not a very likely one. At least it's too early to say now that it is an Elliott Wave triangle. Well, the other option is it still goes higher, but again, I would need a confirmation above 28,060, which would be sort of the pivot point, yeah, the invalidation point for the direct downside path. If it goes higher, then in a B wave, this could still be a WXY structure, where this is an A wave, a B wave down, and a C wave up. Valid as long as we stay below the, zooming out, below that X wave high here at 29,970. So that B wave could very well extend a little bit higher. So it would be quite an aggressive move up, most likely. So that means if we go up now and break that high, it would probably be more aggressive than what I indicated yesterday. Because yesterday we said if it gives us one more high, it may just push to 29,096 maybe, yeah, in just one more high of this move up. But if it pushes higher now, it would be probably quite aggressive because it would be a WXY structure. But again, nothing's going to happen until we break above that 28,060 level. And as I explained in the last video, target for the bulls remains to take out this swing low of the 12th of May at 25,820. So what I just said is, yeah, what happens if we break above this wave too high? Again, it would most likely just be an extension of the B wave. It would not be a 5-wave move, in my opinion. It still would be a 3-wave move, just simply in a WXY structure. If we get 5 waves up, though, instead of 3, then again, we can talk about the bullish direct breakout count, but we're just not there yet at this stage. Yeah, it's just too early to talk about it. We need to be aware it could happen. Yeah, nothing changed down here. This could still be a wave 1. This could still be a wave 2 with a 3rd wave in the making. But then we need a 4th wave and a 5th wave. So it remains chop. Yeah, the chop. Prepare for further choppy price action. Prepare for movements that are just sort of unpredictable. Yeah, nobody can... nobody knows, nobody can predict every single wave, especially on lower time frames. That's just not possible. But yeah, just be aware that we probably have to look at further choppy price action, and maybe we get a bit more volatility in the next few days, also due to the debt ceiling vote. And overall, as we talked about before, we are in an overall bullish scenario, in my opinion. As long as we are holding the 22k level, we can, as soon as this overall correction is finished, expect a 3rd wave rally to the upside. So unfortunately, we continue to be in this range. Not much is happening. Yesterday, basically nothing happened. Then we saw a little bit of a sell-off. But if you zoom out, yeah, it didn't really make any major progress in the chart. We have a little bit more clarity in that the direct breakout path is or has become a little less likely. But just be aware of what the relevant levels are, which I told you. So 28,060 to the upside would unlock higher prices, possibly in the first instance to $29,090, and then to the X wave high at 29,980. And the target for the bears is to really break below that 25,820 level. Yeah, unfortunately, not too much more price action, not too much more news going on here. A bit boring, but yeah, hopefully this will end soon and we get back to more interesting price action. So hopefully you like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.